In this video, you'll learn how to create a Gmail account from scratch, step by step. By the end, you'll have a brand new email address that you can use for messages, signups, and all of Google's services like Drive, Photos, and YouTube. Let's start at the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to accounts.google.com. This is Google's official sign-in and account creation page. If you see a sign-in screen asking for an email, look for a link that says something like Create Account. Click that and then choose the option that applies to you, usually for my personal use. Now you'll see the basic sign-up form where you enter your personal details, type in your first name and then your last name. If you prefer not to use your full last name, you can often keep it short or use an initial as long as it looks professional enough for how you plan to use the account. When you're ready, continue to the next page. Next, Google will ask for a bit more information like your birth date and your gender. Enter your date of birth carefully using the correct month, day, and year. This helps Google confirm you're old enough to create an account and can also affect certain safety and privacy settings. Then choose your gender from the options that are shown, or select a more private option if you prefer not to specify. When everything looks correct, move on. Now it's time to choose your Gmail handle, which is the part that appears before the @gmail.com. This will become your new email address, so take a moment to think about it. You might use some combination of your name and numbers, or something simple and easy to remember. Try typing in your preferred username. If it's already taken, Google will let you know and may suggest a few alternatives. You can select one of those or adjust your idea by adding a middle initial or a few numbers until you find something available that you like. Once your handle is set, you'll be asked to create a password. This should be something secure that other people can't easily guess. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using very obvious things like your name or simple sequences. Type your password once, then re-enter it to confirm. Make sure you store this password somewhere safe or use a password manager because you'll need it every time you sign in. After that, Google will want to verify your account. On the screen, you'll see an option to verify using your phone by scanning a QR code. Grab your smartphone and open the camera app or the Google app, depending on what your device supports. Point the camera at the QR code on the screen and you should see a notification or link appear on your phone. Tap it and follow the instructions to confirm that you're the person creating this account. This step helps protect your account and makes it easier to recover later if you ever forget your password. Once verification is complete, you'll be guided through the final setup. This may include reviewing Google's terms and privacy settings and adjusting options like personalization or data sharing. Take a moment to scroll through and choose the settings you're comfortable with, then confirm. When you're finished, your new Gmail account is ready to use. You can now open Gmail, send a test email, and start using your new address anywhere you need it.